For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
On Sunday, 30 kg gold worth 15 crore rupees was seized in Thiruvananthapuram International Airport. The airport authorities seized the gold in a consignment which was meant for the consulate of UAE. The person named under the scam is reportedly the close aide of CM Pinarayi Vijayan. Swapna Suresh is a former UAE consulate officer and also a marketing liaison officer of the Space Park under KSI TIL. Swapna Suresh is the main accused in the 30 kg gold scandal and she is currently absconding. Soon after the scandal made headlines across the nation, BJP State President K. Surendran launched scathing attacks against Kerala CM office. As soon as she was accused in the case, the office of the Chief Minister and IT Secretary exerted pressure on the customs to release her. Their involvement in the case can be known by checking the phone records of the office of the Chief Minister and IT Secretary. Even as the BJP accused the CM's office of its involvement, the customs nabbed former consulate PRO Sarit. Sarit was taken to the customs office in Kochi after he confessed to the crime. During the interrogation, it was revealed that though Sarit was expelled from the office, he had been keeping in touch with some officials in the consulate, including Swapna Suresh. It was also revealed that since he knew diplomatic baggage would not be subjected to detailed scrutiny, he used it to smuggle large quantities of gold into the state. In fact, Swapna Suresh, the main accused in the scandal, had been cooperating with Sarit until her tenure was over in the UAE consulate office. It continued even after she left the consulate office. Reports suggest that she also used her connections to clear obstacles. After the news hit headlines, the UAE consulate issued a statement and said it had no role to play in the scandal. The customs department opened the consignment baggage after it received a tip-off about gold smuggling through the diplomatic channel. The customs had seized 30.24 kilograms gold hidden inside the diplomatic baggage addressed to the UAE Consulate General Office on Sunday. They opened the box after securing permission from the Ministry of External Affairs. The consignment was reportedly mentioned as food on top of the baggage. Meanwhile, the Kerala government sacked close secretary of CM. The opposition leader of Kerala government, Ramesh Chennithala, demanded a CBI inquiry into the gold seized on Sunday. He also demanded a probe on its links with CM's office of Kerala. Media reports of links of the Chief Minister's office with the smuggling are unprecedented and shocking. The office of Sri Pinarayi Vijayan has become a den of criminals. The Chief Minister cannot keep mum on the issue. The misuse of diplomatic immunity has international ramifications. Media has reported that a key official from the office of the Chief Minister had contacted customs officials who seized the smuggled goods and tried to get the goods released. The Chief Minister needs to come clean on the whole issue. The gold smuggling scandal is getting murkier with each passing day, and more skeletons are set to tumble out in the coming days.